Hello folks, today we are going to see how to install Maven on Windows. Installing Maven on Windows is as simple as downloading the zip file and extracting it. Make sure that you have at least JDK 1.7 installed on your system. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome or any browser you use. Search for Maven download. Click on the link. The latest stable version for the Maven is 3.6.3. Just scroll down the page and download the binary zip file for the Maven. Click on Show in folder. Extract the zip file. Copy the Maven folder and paste it into the C drive. Now to configure Maven, go to Environment Variables. I already have previous version of Maven installed on my system. I'm going to edit Maven_home property and point it to the new installation. Let's do the same change for the system variables as well. Now include part to the Maven bin folder in path variable for the system user. Do the same change for the system variables. Delete the entry for the previous installation. Let's check the Maven version now. That's all for today guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos.